Welcome to today's awesome assembly. I want to do an awesome assembly recording and Fudge is around.
Fudge, come here. Fudge. Fudge, come here.
She's not very good at following instructions.
It's my cat, Fudge.
She's a bit of a queen, really. Here she is, having a lovely stroke on a fluffy cushion. Isn't she lovely and cute? I wish though she'd be friendly with my dog Asher. They don't get on very well. What do you think, Fudge? Have you got a brother or sister? How well do you get on with them? Here's Asher, my dog. Asher wants to give her a kiss, but Fudge isn't so sure. Here they are on the pavement outside my house. Asher wants to play with Fudge, but Fudge just wants to go home and have a sleep. And is a bit wary of Asher the dog. Look at that wacky tail. Asher wants to play and run and chase. And Fudge doesn't. She wants to go home through a special little hole in the fence that we made for her. Oh, Asher's now smelling the ground where Fudge was sitting. Listen to that scowl. Fudge is scaring off that big black fluffy dog. Can you see Asher smelling? When she closes her mouth, it's because she's smelling through her nose. And there's Fudge in her hideout. And she can go through there, through the cat flap and into the house. Now Fudge and Asher hide from each other because they don't want to be friends really. They should love each other more. But I love playing hide and seek with Mr. Badger. Oh, there he is, hiding behind the tree. Was he there? Yes, it's Mr. Badger, hiding behind the tree. Now who's hiding behind those bushes? Yes, it's me, Mr. Atherton. Who do you think's hiding behind this tree? Yeah, it's me, Mr. Atherton. Again, yep, it's me. And who's behind this log? Can you see? Do you see who it was? Yes, it's Mr. Badger. How do you hang upside down, Mr. Badger, like a bat? He's a batty badger. Now who's behind those sticks? It's Mr. Atherton again. Yeah, it's me. Hello. Who's hiding behind that tree? Me or Mr. Badger? Oh, it's someone small and stripy. Yeah, it's our favourite friend, Mr. Badger. We love him. Yes, we do. Now, who's behind that tree? It's me, Mr. Atherton, not Mr. Badger. Oh, here there he is. Mr. Badger. Now he's on top of the log in the sunshine. All right, Mr. Badger, we found you. And there he is, walking on top of the logs. It's such fun playing in the woods. We're at Stammer Woods, near Brighton. Hello, Mr. Badger again. I think he's looking for bugs and worms to eat in that rotten log. Now, who's hiding behind that wall? And are they on the left or the right hand side? It's Mr. Badger on the left. Who's hiding now? It's Mr. Badger on the right hand side. Look at that. Anyone hiding? Yeah, he's on the left again. Mr. Badger. Hello, we can see you. Yep, we can see you on the right hand side and Asher the dog keeps finding you. Where's Mr. Badger now? Oh no, it's Mr. Atherton on the left. And Asher is going to hide with Mr. Atherton. Who's hiding now? Which side? Oh, Mr. Atherton on the right. It's fun this game. Hello, Mr. Badger. Oh, there he is, down there on the right. Who's hiding now? Oh, it's Mr. Atherton. Hello, Mr. Atherton. Yay, it's great fun playing hide and seek with your friends. I wonder what my cat Fudge is thinking. She's not very good at playing hide and seek. I'm thinking that we should love our neighbour, whether it's our cat, our dog, our brother or sister. The Bible tells us that we should love our neighbour. Look, there is Fudge creeping up behind me. Have you got a pet that you should love? Should you love whoever you live with a bit more? Maybe friends at school. You might not be able to see them much at the moment, but you could send them a card or a text or a message if your mum or dad let you. But Jesus said, love your neighbour as yourself. And that's exactly what we should do, isn't it, Fudge? Yes, that's what we should do. That's right. Come here for a stroke. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, that's better.
Now, for the second part of our assembly today, I'd love you to click on the link below and watch an assembly made by some friends of me and Mr. Badger called Assemblies Online.
Just how important it is to love our neighbour.
So do watch the link below, click on it and watch a brilliant assembly all about loving your neighbour and meet someone called Becca. Who could that be? Mr. Badger loves these assemblies, and so do watch the next bit on the link below.
Watch the next bit on the link below.
Watch the next bit on the link below.
Assemblies Online. They're fab.